Hi everyone, welcome to How Ines Rolls. As you can see, I'm heading out, and I'm actually heading out to Costco. This is my first time going in over a month or so, maybe a couple months even. But I'll let you know more about why I'm going, but wish me luck and see if I can get everything that I need. So basically, I have to come to Costco to get my husband's medicine. And since we're here, I might as well try to pick up some of our basics, our usual, so to say. And so I'll show you what that is. I'm not planning to do a huge haul, but I wanted to show you some of our Costco basics, so to say. So let's see what it looks like. I don't even know what to expect. I have read some things in the paper that said a couple of employees at both of the Costcos have tested positive. So we'll see. But I'm also, the boys are really wanting to get a pizza, so hopefully they have that going as well. So wish me luck. Now I'm ready to go in. So it looks pretty good in here. Like, they have lots of distancing. I hardly had to wait in any line to get into the store, which I was expecting it to be a lot more. So let's see what they have here. If I was normally coming here, I would load up on the Grandma Sycamore bread, but we haven't been having much sandwiches lately, so we're good. Best priced at Costco. I am out of beans, but I'm gonna have to get that next time. It's a good price. These are the cleanest beans too that I've ever worked with. Got everything in the house with the help of the boys. Let me tell you about what I got, but first off, I need to show you the pizza we got. So right now at Costco, because of what's going on, the only thing that they're doing were pizzas and hot dogs. Everything on the schedule, so I couldn't get a salad that I normally get, but I mean, these are ginormous and they're only 10 bucks. They're good and they last. So this is for the boys. So this will help over the next couple of days. So I don't have to make any food for lunch and maybe dinner. Okay, so let me show you these heavy things that I got back here. Okay, so I love their paper towels. And so I was able to find a pack, which I'm so happy about. And I wanted to show you the difference here. Hold on a minute. And then I always get, or I try to get, these Traeger pellets. These are 20 bucks for 30 pounds. And if you, or no, 33 pounds. So if you know Traeger, they're usually about 20 pounds-ish for about $15 to $20. So this is a really good buy, and Paul really likes this pellet blend. So especially with the summer coming up, we need to have our smokers ready. Okay, so I've been buying some paper towels just as I've been able to get them at the grocery store, whichever, or friends have brought some, which I've been so grateful for. So this is what they've brought, and this is the Costco. Now, they're the half sheets, and you can see how much bigger it is, and it's like, I don't know if you can see it, thicker. It's just such a better buy, and I like to use these in the classroom when I'm working in the classroom, and I'll cut them in half. They're good for snack size for kids, and I have water materials that I can make like rainbows and stuff, and then they just put that right on top of the water, and it makes like this beautiful rainbow. So color mixing. So you guys, I'm so happy to have them again. Yay! Okay, so let me show you what else I got. These are our go-to staples of tortillas. I don't buy any other flour tortilla, or I try not to. I get these almost 90% of the time. There's probably a couple of times that I have to buy. No, I pretty much buy these ones. These ones are uncooked, so I have to cook them on the skillet. But I put half of them into the freezer, and then I work with the other half. And there's a lot in here. So there's 36, 18 in each pack, and it was like $5.99 or $6.99, one of those. So I think that's such a good price, and they taste delicious. Their Costco bacon is also one of my go-to staples. This was only like in the $10 range for 4 packs, you guys. That is such a great price, and wow, it's just good to have these on hand, or you could even put them into the freezer, but I won't have to do that. Another thing I was looking for that I was bummed that they didn't have was butter. They didn't have any butter. I'm bummed. But Costco butter is the way to get it. Under 10 bucks for a whole bunch, like 4 pounds of it. Let's keep going. I got some bananas. They're only like a couple bucks or so, but I also got their cheese. I only got 1 pack this time. I like to get like the Monterey Jack and sometimes the mozzarella. These are like 5 bucks each, and there's 2 pounds. I don't really need like a lot of cheese right now, but this is such a good thing to have in the refrigerator. Cheese goes by quickly, like especially if you're making recipes. And Costco has really good priced cheese in their block. I did also buy a couple of things that I wanted to try. So I was actually looking for some frozen chicken breasts because that would be my go-to. I love trying to get especially their thin sliced or the thin cut chicken breast. But I got this already, ready cut chicken breast. I saw a review on Instagram and they really loved it. So why not try it? I'm super excited. I'm hoping this will be, you know, a couple of meals, maybe 3 meals, I'm hoping. We'll see how it goes, but I'm pretty sure I'm going to love it. And it was about 10 bucks. Yes, I know that's the convenience of it, but I thought it would be nice to try. Another thing that I got that was a total splurge to me, I saw these. I had to have them. I crave burritos right now, you guys. And I'm not getting them at our favorite like Mexican food place that's down the road. My favorite bean and cheese burritos are from Fausto's. And if you're a local to Vegas, there's lots of Fausto's locations. But this, I think, will hit the spot. And it's organic. So I feel like it's going to be at least a little bit cleaner. If not, it's going to be a lot cleaner, right? I also bought Paul. He loves these. I try to get these every time I go to Costco to get the beef jerky. Plus, I know Jonas would like to have a few. Another item that I know this person in our family will like, Ezra. He loves these go-go squeezes, and I love that they're organic. They're a little bit on the pricier side, but 15 bucks and he gets to have snacks every day for like a month. I'm okay with that. That's okay. And another thing that I got that I don't normally get is this garlic chicken pasta dish. Now, those look like all the vegetables that we like to eat mixed in a pasta with a garlic sauce. Sounds like a win for our family. I also saw these on Instagram that another family purchases, and they really, really like them. They get them every time. So I've always been looking for them, and I haven't seen them until today. So I'm going to give this a try. This is easily 2 meals for our family. Yeah, I would at least cut it in half and then have it for 2 meals. But I will have to get something or cook something else for Paul that's separate from this because of the pasta. But I think we can even have it for lunch. What do you say, guys? Have them for lunch?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, and the very last thing that I got that is a total kid purchase. These huge chocolate chip cookies, you guys. These are so yummy. Kobe loves them. And in fact, when I told him I was going to Costco, he even asked for them. So here you go. But what happens if I make cookies later? Maybe we'll put these in the freezer. Maybe we didn't see these. He's pouting. Just kidding. Okay, you guys, that is it. A spontaneous bonus haul. I just had to get some medicine for Paul. So now I have a few other things to put into the freezer or things that we could use. In fact, if my friends need any paper towels, they can text me. So you guys, I hope you have a wonderful day. If you're still on lockdown, I hope that your spirits are high and that you're able to get through this with grace. And just know we're thinking about all of you guys and care so much about our rollers. So Thanks for stopping by. Give the video a thumbs up and subscribe. And stick around, rollers. You just never know what I'll be rolling out next. Bye, everyone. You may get another surprise haul.